Hey everybody. All right, so this is the manual load test here for the unit. This is a 24-inch stackable unit, combo unit, and we're going through this manual load test, and we found some inaccuracies here. Some of these tests don't actually match what's on the unit, so I'm going to show you guys what the real tests are on the unit, how to enter that test mode, and what each test is. All right, so to get started on the manual load test, the first thing you need to do is press and hold cycles, turn the unit on, and then you're going to hit start 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're going to see a CL. Once you see a CL, you are in manual test mode. These lights here will indicate which cycle you're on. So normal is the clockwise rotation of the motor. So that means that once I press start, if you look in there, I'm only turning the motor on clockwise, and the unit will beep as you're running a test cycle. Now, if I press cycles, you use the cycles key to change the test mode that you're on. So once I click it, it's going to go to delicate. And delicate, what that is, it shows as a counterclockwise rotation of the motor. So if I hit start, again, you get that beeping. And of course, you have to hold down the start. Once you let go of the start key, the test stops. Heavy duty should be the retractor motor, which is going to be like your actuator, changing from agitation to spin. I don't know if you can hear it, but you heard a little click. And there's a winding noise, so you know it's working. Pressing the cycles key again, we'll see rinse here. And this is where things can get a little confusing on the service manual, because now things have changed. So on the service manual, it will say that the rinse light is activation of the cold water valve. But if you hit start while you're on rinse, that's actually the drain pump. So if you look on the service manual, there is no drain pump test, and that's what's missing. Everything else is correct, but it's missing the drain pump. So rinse is not the cold water valve test. That's actually the drain pump. Again, holding start will run the test. As soon as you let go, it stops. Now, spin on your service manual. The spin test is activation of the hot water valve, but in reality, this is where we start getting into our valve test. Spin is cold valve. Switching again, pressing cycles, go to clean washer. Clean washer on your service manual will say it's the activation of the lid lock. It's actually your hot, that's your hot water. Pressing cycles again will have all the lights on, and that's your lid lock. So with all the lights on, that is going to be lid lock. Lid is locked, hitting start again, we can open. If I press cycles, I just go back to the start of the test, and the start of the test, of course, normal is clockwise rotation. And that's how you run the test. Once you are done testing the unit, press the power button and the unit shuts off.